are today, in a world where geopolitics has come back with a vengeance and imperialism seems to be on the rise, we shall go forward together.
Thanks to Vladimir Putin, Finland and Sweden joined NATO.
NATO is the strongest alliance in world history, but more has to be done.
We don't let Russia into our territories.
Weakness invites attack, while strength deters aggression.
We will be dwarfing Russia.
Estonia stands firmly for a rules-based world where international law prevails, where aggression as a tool is unacceptable, and where all war criminals will be held accountable.